Meaning of F R Leavis.
F R Leavis.
F R Leavis.
F R Leavis.
F R Leavis. F R Leavis was a prominent literary critic and academic who played a significant role in the formation of English studies as an academic discipline. His views on literature, culture, and education were influential in shaping the intellectual landscape of mid-20th century Britain. Leavis believed that literature was an essential source of ethical and cultural values, and he promoted the study of great works of literature as a means of strengthening the moral and intellectual character of society. His ideas continue to be debated and discussed today, and his legacy as a critic and scholar remains an important part of the history of English literature.